low-sodium beans to use
Hello, I'm Big Bird.
for yourself.
And this is my good friend, Peter Wiggins. Hello! And Peter's gonna tell me what proud is. And Peter, yes, Mr. Bird? Do you know what proud means? Oh, sure! Proud is a word that means that you are
But I like the price.
get a feeling good about doing something very good for yourself and the others. Like, holding the door for somebody. Or doing good work for somebody. Or doing a good job. Or doing good job like how I do my work at the North Media Center. Right? What are you proud of, Big Bird? I'm proud of my friends on Sesame Street, and I'm proud of my nest, and I'm proud of everybody. That's good, Mr. Bird.
Closing costs.
Home investors took very good care of me.
Call 1-800.
And
buyers.
do I'm proud of? What? I'm proud to be your friend. Ah, love you, Mr. Peter. Love you, Mr. Bird.
Welcome to Denny's.
He's the winner today. Proud.